it's a whole hobby, so yeah. So you're just measuring like the doors and stuff? Okay.
Yeah. Do you mind doing the other one over there?
Well, this one's a bit older. Am I able to just ride it real quick and then you can do your thing, or no?
Sure, go ahead.
All right, thank you so much. I'm just gonna be right up and then back down and then I'll, yeah. This is the elevator at the Ocean Jewels Resort in Daytona Beach. See, newer call station, old one there. These used to be Generals that were modded with GAL vandal resistant fixtures, but it looks like Oracle's about to come in and mod these soon, so yeah. Whoa, quite a drop there. Obviously, I'm assuming these are relay controlled. And here we are on one.
Over there.
Okay.
So, yeah, like you can see, that's the hanger roll.
There's your original general indicator there. That was the original indicator.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is the outer door track. So you can see it's a little bit mildew, but it's not gone yet. So
Okay.
I would say these are good.
They're good.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, man.
Oh, you going up?
Yes.
All right, well, have a nice day.
You too, man. Be careful.
Oh, thanks. Let's see, does this light up at all? Well, I don't know for sure because they're not going up all the way. But, oh well. Well, anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.